Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a luxury unboxing. I have some new beauty. I have some Mother's Day gifting ideas. But first I wanted to share with you some new Dior gift sets that Dior Beauty just gifted me. They also now include their shopping bag online. These are only available on Dior.com. You do have to sign up to be a loyalty member. Their loyalty program is free to join, so I will include links to everything I talk about and the link to sign up to be a loyalty member. With every purchase you make, you move up in the tiers, and then with all the different tiers there are certain perks, including complimentary shipping, a complimentary Dior shopping bag, beautiful gift packaging, complimentary samples and miniatures, and gifts with purchase. Here is the stunning new Mother's Day gift packaging. I love the coral pink butterflies and the gold. Now this gift set is the J'adore Eau de Parfum gift set with travel spray. It even shows you on the back what it looks like. I love that even the bottom of the box is that same color. So you get the full-size fragrance and then a travel spray. It is such a beautiful presentation right there. The travel spray is refillable, so you don't have to buy separate refills. These fill straight from the full-size fragrance. J'adore is one of my favorite fragrances from Dior. I've gifted this to my mom. I've gifted this to, I think, like all the women in my family love this. It's a really pretty solar floral fragrance, and it has notes of ylang ylang, Damascus rose, and jasmine. It's a beautiful light floral fragrance. I wear this all year round. I don't want to open it up because I am probably going to be gifting this to my mom for Mother's Day. But here is the full size. I love the gold band, and then again the travel spray. All Dior Beauty orders come with complimentary samples, and they're packaged in this reusable drawstring Dior pouch. So for my samples for this order, I chose the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet fragrance. And then if your order is over $100, you actually get to choose a deluxe travel miniature. So for this order, I chose the relatively new Miss Dior Essence, which is another flanker of the Miss Dior fragrance. It's more of a berry scent. And then because I am a platinum level Dior loyalty member, I got to choose a second deluxe miniature. So I chose this time a miniature of the Dior Rouge lipstick. And it's in their iconic, look how cute, the little mini lipstick, and it's in their iconic red color. They also include complimentary personalized messaging. So I had to include a Happy Mother's Day gift message. I just love the Dior Mother's Day gift packaging and presentation. Again, they have the preset fragrance sets. So they have the J'adore set. They also offer the Miss Dior fragrance set. And then they have another gift set. It's called the Beauty Ritual Pouch Mother's Day 2026 edition. So it also comes packaged in the Mother's Day packaging, just with the plain solid color base. This set comes with the Miss Dior fragrance, and then you also get the Dior Addict lip glow and a full-size blush. And what I love about this set is it comes with their beautiful new gift pouch. So this is complimentary with the set in the same butterfly circular floral design with the CD zipper pull. I love these travel pouches just to organize all of my makeup when I'm traveling or just in my everyday tote. And right now you can get this travel pouch complimentary with any $225 purchase if you use the code Mother's Day 26. Now these promos do occasionally run out, so if this is sold out by the time this video goes up, you can also use the code MAGICH1 with any $130 Dior Beauty order, and that will give you another gift with purchase. I believe that gift right now is a Miss Dior mini fragrance. So again, lots of Mother's Day gifting options to choose from, all in this beautiful Mother's Day limited edition packaging. And you can also get the Dior shopping bag. And I also just noticed that they just recently restocked something that I thought was so adorable, and it is their Dior Baby collection. I ordered this entire collection when it first came out a couple years ago, and then I feel like it's been out of stock for a while. So this is the Dior Baby cleansing water. There are 3 different products within, actually 4 different products. So you have the cleansing water, this is the Dior Baby Very Soft Milk, and then the Dior Baby Very Creamy Mousse Cleanser. And then they also came out with this adorable Bon Toile baby fragrance. It comes in this Dior gift pouch, and you can opt for either the pink cap, or I believe it's either a green or a blue cap. This is such a cute gift if you have any baby showers, or if you know of an expectant mother for Mother's Day or baby shower gifting. It's adorable. This full-size trio is available as a set, I believe, or you can purchase these individually. But I actually purchased the entire set. Even though my kids have moved past the baby age, I have the Dior baby collection in our guest bathroom because the scent is just so sweet and mild. I also love the Bon Toile Baby Dior fragrance. It's a very clean, powdery scent, so it's perfect for all guests. Okay, let's talk about the new Goyard bags. So I posted in my Instagram stories and my TikTok and YouTube, I posted polls and teasers, and I asked you guys which color you preferred of the new limited edition spring colors that Goyard just released. So they're available now. So I'll post pictures, but the 4 colors were powder pink, blueberry violet, meadow green, and polar blue. And it's based on the new theme, the 4 seasons. So last year it was like the Jardin Goyard, which had the floral interior. This year it's 4 different colors of their coated canvas, and it's like an ombre effect. All the colors were different. It was just so pretty. I knew I had to get at least 1 item, and I ended up with 2. So let's go ahead and unbox the first one, and I'll talk about the pricing. Love the dust bag. So this item, it was packaged flat, and now it's not flat. I got the powder pink St. Louis tote in the PM size. This is the powder pink. Pink is always such a pretty color for Goyard. It's not one of their classic colors, and over the years they've released a few different variations of different pinks. The color in real life is a lot more powder pink than in the sneak peeks, so I was a little worried that it would be a little too like salmon, orange, coral, but it's a very pretty powder pink. And again, you can see that it's a few different colors there, all variated throughout the design. And I mentioned in my last video that the St. Louis tote comes, oh, here is the little wristlet pouch. Well, all St. Louis totes now come with the magnetic closure at the top. Okay, there is the interior. Again, the St. Louis tote is, you know, it's technically a beach tote, so it's a lot thinner than, for example, the Anjou tote, which is lined with leather, or the Artois, which has a full zip closure. So I'll give you the prices because the prices for the limited edition collections vary. The St. Louis PM retails for $25.40 versus the regular in the classic colors St. Louis PM retails now for $19.60. And again, if you were to purchase the closure separately, because now they do come with them together, but if you had, let's say, purchased the St. Louis tote years ago before they included this, you can purchase these now for, I believe it's $210. That is my new powder pink St. Louis PM. It's my first St. Louis tote from Goyard, and I love the pink color. I also own the Artois PM in burgundy, so I like that I have the pink, but that's not all. One more bag, also from the limited edition collection. So these are the shopping bags that it comes in. It's narrow because the St. Louis tote is folded flat into thirds, similar to like the Louis Vuitton Speedy. Here is the dust bag. Could not resist. I wasn't planning on getting 2 bags, but I had to do it because look at this. Blueberry purple or blueberry violet, whatever you want to call it. This is the St. Louis GM. It is literally like a mermaid bag because it's purple, violet, but then you have the blue. It looks like little shadows in the design. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I have to do an unboxing reel, so I left the plastic on, but when you get these bags new, they come with the plastic. Here is the interior. I do have a bag organizer insert from Samorga in here, and huge tote. Again, you have the little wristlet. I just love this color. It's such a rich purple, like blue purple color. The closure comes also with a tiny little Goyard dust bag to keep this closed. You have the little paper here too. I love it. I love this color. I'm debating whether to get also the Bohème bag in the polar blue, and we'll see what else, but I knew I had to get the huge tote. This is a popular travel tote, but honestly, I prefer fully zipped closed bags for travel, especially for plane travel. So I don't know that I will be bringing this with me on a plane, but definitely for a road trip, I will be bringing this. I also got information from my Goyard essay that they will have a second round of bags in the 4 colors to include the Anjou and some other styles, I forget. So once I get pictures, I will post sneak peeks on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on there and also here on YouTube. But that is my Goyard Saint Louis GM in the blueberry violet purple and the Goyard Saint Louis PM in the powder pink. 2 new colors as part of the Goyard 4 Seasons limited edition colors this year. So I will follow up with a what's in my bag. I'll show you what I pack in both sizes and what these fit. I'll do a comparison. I can also compare to the Goyard Artois if you're interested. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you plan on picking anything up from the new Goyard collection of colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.